Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first upload video in my YouTube channel. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my video. So I'm here in front of you guys to share my training experience in virtual assistant customer review. So the content quality that customers often comment whether the training covers essential skills like communications, task management, technical skills, and the AI tools. So the ease of learning that reviews may discuss if the training materials are easy to understand, well structured, and engaging. So the practical application and customers often highlight if the trainings includes real life simulations or hands-on projects or practical tasks. Whether the training materials were comprehensive, relevant, and easy to understand, the expertise and the ability of the trainer to explain concepts clearly. And the exercises, if the training area, um, if the training included hands-on exercises, real world scenarios, or simulations. The overall structure of the program, such as whether it was engaging, interactive, or well paced. Availability of additional resources like mentoring, Q&A sessions, or community skills. Community support. And if the training help um, if the training help improve skills, secure VA jobs, or boost confidence in performing tasks. So that's all for today. Thank you.